Hi, welcome again to my channel. Today I have a random recipe that I would like to share. It is a chicken with the tofu or bean curd in a clay pot. Let's start cooking. Heat the wok and add some cooking oil and pan fry the chicken. I am using a skinless chicken thigh in this recipe. With skin is also alright. Pan fry the chicken on both sides and then set aside. Heat the clay pot and drizzle some cooking oil. Saute the shallot slices together with the hard parts of the spring onions. Add in the chicken and the tofu. By the way, I bought the tofu in the wet market. It is already fried and I just cut it. Let's pour the seasoning which I prepared earlier, and I will write it in the description below. And then let's add some cooking wine or the rice wine. Top it with the green parts of the spring onions. Put on the lid and simmer this for about 12 to 15 minutes. And it's ready.